Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set, and in today's video we will see whether the two sets are disjoint set or not using isdisjoint method of set object. Let's start. First we will create a two set containing some element. Then we will check information regarding isdisjoint method. S1 dot is disjoint and then question mark will display the information regarding isdisjoint method. It returns true if two sets have a null intersection. If both the set does not have any common element, it will return true. It is built-in function or method. Let's cross-check this. S1 and S2 contain elements, but they have common element 10, 20 as a tuple. If we run S1 dot is disjoint and is disjoint and pass it as a parameter set S2, you will have a false value. And if you remove this tuple from one of the set, now they don't have any element which is common in both the set. Click on the cell, run the cell, run the isdisjoint method using S1 dot isdisjoint S2. It will return a value true because both the set don't have any common element. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.